When you have water damage, searching for the perfect specialist can be challenging, but the whole process will be simple if you know what questions to ask. Today's local water damage restoration expert will share some valuable tips on finding a professional that'll have you feeling confident in your choice and ready to move forward.
I'm often asked, how do you choose an emergency water damage repair company in the Baltimore metro area? When does the time should ever arrive when you find yourself experiencing a home or business flood water leak? Call Baltimore's water damage repair professional. A day. In most cases, the technician will be on site within an hour. Certified to the ICRC and recognized as a WRT water restoration certified restoration technician that will provide the proper evaluation of practice for the drying techniques. Common water intrusions are condensation, hot water, heater, frozen, bursting pipes, bath, food, tanks, water machine, overflows, construction defects, foundations, basement, sump pump failures, sanitary, sewer backup, tubes, and floor backup. Process begins with first responding equipment, which is present in microorganisms, multiple rapid triggers, possible structures, determination as well as serious threats and health problems for occupants in the home. Water classifications or for categories can change in less than 3 days time responding to it correctly. Water damage restoration includes extraction, water removal, truck mount, vacuum, submersible pumps, ride-ons, structural, drying, air movers, dehumidification, air filtration devices, antimicrobial, biocide, sanitizer, disinfectant, and sterilizer, moisture reuse, daily inspections, monitoring. So call Baltimore 24/7 Restoration Pros today